Hey colorful people, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you a simple yet amazing recipe for the most delicious egg and cheese sandwich you've ever had. It's quick, it's easy, and trust me, it's a game changer. First, you need some frankfurters, some cheese, and egg. And that's the main three ingredients you need. First, we're gonna cut our frankfurters. You can use any brand you like if you like spicy sausages or regular. Next, we're gonna add our egg and a pinch of salt. Next, we're gonna whisk our egg with a fork. Don't overbeat it. You want to leave a little bit of texture. Get your pot hot, and once the pot is hot, we're gonna add a little oil, just for the bottom of the pot, not much oil. Once your egg is brown on one side, you just spatula to flip, then add your slice of cheese. If you love breakfast sandwiches as much as I do, I'd love to hear about your favorite ingredients in the comments. Do you add bacon, spinach, or something else? Let me know. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy and tasty recipes. See you in the next one. Continue to live good, live healthy, and live colorful.